Today we'll be talking about a very important topic, how to choose the right J1 visa sponsor. If you're a teacher looking to move to the United States to participate in the J1 teacher exchange program, this video is for you. Stick around and watch this video to the end so that you will learn some tips and get some information on how to choose the right J1 visa sponsor. Hey joyful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Joy Donas. I'm a Nigerian teacher based here in the United States, currently participating in the J1 teacher exchange program. And if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you so much for coming back. To my new subscribers from Obodoyibo TV and TV's channel, thank you so much for joining this family. Let's get into today's video. The J1 visa is a special program that allows teachers from other countries to move to the United States and participate in the teacher exchange program to be able to teach, learn, and also share the culture with the students and teaching community in the United States. A J1 visa sponsor is an organization that helps you apply for your visa. They give you all the documents you need to apply for your visa. They also help you get a job, a teaching job here in the United States. They are the middleman between you and the school. They organize your interview with the school district. They also ensure that you settle down here properly and seamlessly when you get into the United States. Now let's discuss the things to consider to choose the right J1 visa sponsor. I'll share a few things you need to keep in mind when choosing a J1 visa sponsor. Number one, accreditation. Ensure to choose a J1 sponsor that is approved by the US State Department. The State Department ensure that they follow all the guidelines and that they also offer you good support. That's the job of the State Department. So make sure the sponsor you are with, they are approved by the United States State Department. Number two, reputation. Please go online to read reviews about the J1 visa sponsor. You will get reviews from teachers that have used them in the past. This will help make sure you choose a trusted and a reputable organization that would ensure that everything moves for you seamlessly. Another thing to look out for when choosing a sponsor is support services. Please find out the support services they offer. A good J1 visa sponsor, they help you with your paperwork, they help you settle in when you get in here, they help you with anything that might come up. For example, some J1 visa sponsor, they help you with finding housing when you get here. Even before that, they have accommodation for maybe put you up with other teachers that are here, provide transportation in the meantime with through the other teachers that are here. They provide mentorship as well. They link you up with teachers that have been on the program for years so that the teachers can guide you through what you need to know when you just arrive. So they have teachers, new teachers being attached to old veteran teachers through a mentorship program. For example, I know my J1 sponsors, they have an ambassador program where the old teachers are able to pick up the new teachers from the airport, offer them housing when they just get here. They stay with the old teachers with for a little fee instead of staying in the hotels and Airbnb that are very expensive. The teachers that are already in the program accommodate new teachers when they come in for a little fee. Also, they have the mentorship program where the veteran teachers guide the new teachers that are just coming in, especially the first year teachers that are just coming in, mentor them um, to help them with everything they may need, especially in with their job, classroom management, just anything that they need help with. And also, um, some sponsors also offer no interest loan to teachers that are just coming in to help them settle in, and they would later, at a later time or agreed time, they pay back that loan little by little, not one time. So they take it per maybe bi-weekly from the paycheck. That's some of the support services I can mention that you should be looking out for. There's so many things they also support you with, because even throughout the program, they come around, check up on you in your school, see how you're doing, just ensure everything is going on. They have some help desks, weekly check-in with teachers. They have WhatsApp group where anybody can share whatever you want to share. So these are the types of support services you should be looking out for when choosing a J1 visa sponsor. So, like, you don't just choose a sponsor that throws you out in the wild and let you leave you to yourself. So, ensure that they have good support services. Another thing to look out for: cost. When choosing a sponsor, please ask questions about the cost so that you know you have a heads up. Some sponsors charge a fee, while some do not charge a fee. You pay for only your paperwork, like your service fee, your visa fee, your evaluation of your document, your travel expenses, and all that. Some other sponsors may charge a fee, like my visa sponsor. They didn't charge me any money. I just paid for my documents and everything I needed to arrive here. So please ask questions to be sure of what the fee or what expenses you might be looking at in the long run. Okay. Before we wrap up this video, I would like to offer some bonus tips. Number one tip I want to offer is, please ask questions. If you need clarification on anything, you're confused about anything, go back to your sponsor and ask questions. Write an email to them. If you guys are communicating via WhatsApp, send a WhatsApp message to your contact person and ask any question that you need clarification with. That is your right. Just ask any question you need. Okay. Stay flexible. Things may change. Just be ready to adapt to anything and just keep an open mind. So the final thing I would like to say, enjoy your experience. It's a wonderful time to learn and grow. So enjoy your teaching experience. If you have watched this video to this time, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Please remember to like, share, and most importantly, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thank you once again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.